Hi! In front of me is Samsung Tab Active3 and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Privacy. Following that, scroll all the way down and tap on Privacy section. Then click on Permission Manager and click on any of your device's features that you wish to manage, like camera. Now pick one of your apps, in my case Chrome, from Not Allowed section, and apply one of the available options by clicking on the best one. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first one, so when I tap and go back, I can see that Chrome just gained access to my device's camera if I'm using this browser. But you can always select any feature, look for an app that you wish to manage, and instead of selecting one of those options, click on See All Permissions at the bottom of the list. Then manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!